Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2021 Hot Wheels. Today I'm here with my daughter Julia. Hello, Jules.
Hello.
And we're here to do the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. Hot Wheels Torque Series number 1 of 5. 85 of 250 on the year. And this is bright red. Mom's favorite color, huh, Julia?
Yeah.
Alright. Oops, I didn't look at the back. Powerful vehicles designed to start fast and finish strong. 2020 copyright.
Love the red.
Me too.
It's like Mom's car.
Mom's car is a darker red.
Yeah, but it's a little bit lighter, but kind of...
Mom wishes her car was this color.
Yeah.
All 4 wheels roll well. All painted in the back. Julia, keep those mosquitoes off me.
Okay.
Headlights all painted. Alright, let's see how it rolls. Wait. Red's all metal. Plastic on top, that sunroof looking thing. And the bottom is plastic. Made in Malaysia. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Very straight roller. Roll it back to me, backwards.
Wait. Got it.
You were supposed to do backwards. Alright, it is straight though. That's what we want to find out. Now we're going to check out the ball. Ooh, let me try backwards first before we give up on that. There we go. That's what I'm talking. So front flips it over. Backwards, ready? Boom.
Backwards is perfect though.
It can be. It's real riding right now. Oh, bam! Oh, man, we're rough. All right, let's do a draw. Oh, you want to try the track? Backwards, no backwards. Yeah. Sweet. Perfect. Good job.
Wait.
All right, let's do drifting. Ready? One rough one first. That don't count for a point. That was your practice one. You gotta do it nice and easy when we go to the line, all right? That one did not count. That was our practice one. Ready?
Wait.
But if nobody gets points, I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Because you got that one. Okay, go ahead.
Oh.
Ooh, miss.
So close.
Do it again.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh man. Perfect parking space.
Ooh. All right, you back to me. Then me one more time, then you one more time. Oh, is it on the line?
Yeah.
It is. I get a point. All right, your turn.
Oh.
All right, I'm going to call it a tie because you did get that point at the beginning.
Yeah.
I tried to not call. Driving is on the left, by the way. Very sharp looking car. Thank you everybody that tuned in and checked it out with us. Jules, it was fun playing. Till next time, T10 out.
Bye.